Have you ever seen a movie where someone gets an acid burn? There's usually a lot of screaming and panic running around. That panic is the real enemy. In a real life situation, your first instinct might not be the wrong one, and that can make the injury much worse. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a crucial first aid topic. How to treat an acid burn. We are going to replace this panic with knowledge and a simple step-by-step plan. Their eyesight or even their life. And it's all start with only one phrase. Why panic? Why? Before we get to the what to do, let's quickly understand what is an acid actually doing. Think of it like this. Your skin is made of complex, delicate molecules, proteins and fats. A strong acid is a very highly reactive substance that desperate to donate a positive charge called proton. When it touches your skin, it starts a violent chemical reaction called a protein denaturation. It literally breaks apart the structure of your cells on your skin. This is what causes tissue damage and a very high burning sensation on your skin. The chemical reaction also generates heat, which can cause a thermal burn on the top of chemical burn. The key thing to remember is this: the longer the acid on the skin, the deeper and more severe the damage becomes. Our entire goal is to stop the reaction as fast as possible. And there is one perfect tool for the job that we all almost have access to. Here's a simple, most important action you will take. It's so simple, yet so critical that I need you to remember it above all else. You must flood the area with copious amount of running water. Let's break down exactly what that means. Protect yourself. Put on gloves if you have them. You can't help if you become a victim too. Remove contaminated clothing. Quickly and carefully cut away any clothing. Don't pull it over the person's head. Use a gentle, steady warm of cool or lukewarm water, not ice cold, as this can cause shock and restrict blood flow. How long? This is the part that shocks most people. You need to flush the copious amount of water around 15 to 20 minutes continuously. Why so long? Because you need to physically wash away all the traces of acid and dilute it to the point where it can no longer react with your skin. Even a tiny amount left behind will continue to burn. 20 minutes might feel like eternity in an emergency, but it is the standard recommended time by the professionals. Crucial exception: if the burn is in the eyes, it's even more critical. Gently holds the eyelids open and pour the water from the inside corner of the eye across to the outside. Let the water flow over the eyeballs. Do not rub the eye again. Flush for the minimum of 20 to 15 minutes. Now let's talk about what you should never do. Often, well-meaning people use folk remedies that can dramatically worsen the injury. Do not use the neutralizing agent. You might remember from chemistry class that a base neutralizes acid. Do not pour baking soda, vinegar, or any other chemical on the burn. Why? The neutralization reaction itself produces heat, causing a thermal burn on top of the acid burn. It's impossible to get the ratio right, and you will cause more damage. Let water do its job. It's the safest dilutant and neutralizer. Do not rub or wipe the area. This can break the skin further and push the acid deeper into the tissue. Do not apply ice directly. Ice can cause frostbites and further damage the already compromised skin. Do not use creams, ointments, and butter. These can trap acid against the skin and seal in the damage. Okay, we have flushed for all 20 minutes. Then what next to do? What next? Call for emergency help. Dial your local emergency number. They are experts and can give you further instructions. Loosely cover the area. Use a sterile non-stick gauze pad or a clean cloth to loosely cover the burn. Do not wrap it tightly. This is just to protect it from the air and contamination. Keep the person calm and warm. Shock is a real risk. Reassure them and keep them comfortable until help arrives. When go to the hospital, you should seek a professional medical attention for any acid burn, but especially if is larger than the size of your palm. It's on the face, hand, feet or any major joint. The pain is severe. The person shows signs of shock. So let's do a quick 30 minutes recap. If you remember nothing else, protect yourself with gloves, remove contaminated clothing, flush with copious amount of running water for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not use neutralizing agent or any ointment or cream. Cover loosely with an sterile dressing. Seek professional medical help. Knowledge is the ultimate replacement of the panic. By knowing what to do, you can take a terrifying situation and calmly handle it with an effective action. You can be the reason someone gets the help they need without further damage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. You never know who might need this information. Stay safe and knowledgeable. So we have covered all the steps, but I want to take a final moment to talk about something even more fundamental than the technique. I want to talk about the power of a calm mind. You see, in the moment of crisis, panic is a natural reaction. Your heart races, your thoughts scramble. It's a primary response. But here is a secret. Knowledge is the ultimate replacement of a panic. When you know what to do, you give your brain a job. You replace the screaming thoughts of, "oh no," with a clear, purposeful command. Flush with water for 20 minutes. That command becomes your anchor. It pushes the panic aside and allows you to become someone's hero. This isn't just about acid burns. This is about transforming yourself in any emergency, from minor cut to major incident. The principle is the same. Your calmness is a resource, as critical as any first aid kit. Let's make a quick pact right now. Let's build a new instinct. If this video helped you feel more empowered, if you believe this knowledge is worth sharing, share it with someone you care about and subscribe it for more educational videos. Stay safe, stay knowledgeable, and thank you for watching.